Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Today's topic is At the Restaurant. We'll learn useful words, phrases, and dialogues that will help you order food, talk to the waiter, and enjoy your meal with confidence, all in English. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just practicing your English, this lesson will help you sound natural and polite when eating out. So get comfortable, maybe grab a snack, and let's begin. Part 1. Restaurant Vocabulary. Let's start with some useful words you'll hear in restaurants. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Common restaurant words. Menu, menu. The list of food and drinks that the restaurant offers. Can I see the menu, please? Waiter, waitress. Waiter, man. Waitress, woman. The person who serves you food and drinks. Excuse me, waiter. Can I order now? Table. Table. Where you sit and eat. I'd like a table for two, please. Reservation. Reservation. When you book a table before you arrive. I have a reservation for 7 o'clock. Appetizer. Starter. Appetizer, starter. A small dish before the main meal. For my starter, I'll have a salad. Main course. Main course. The main dish of the meal. The main course looks delicious. Dessert. Dessert. A sweet dish after the meal. What do you recommend for dessert? Bill, check. Bill, British. Check, American. The piece of paper that shows how much you have to pay. Can I have the bill, please? Tip. Tip. Extra money you give to thank the waiter. Don't forget to leave a tip. Delicious. Delicious. Very tasty. The food is delicious. Great job. Now, let's learn how to use these words in real-life situations. Part 2. Useful phrases. Here are the most common phrases you can use in restaurants. Listen and repeat after me. Arriving at the restaurant. Good evening. A table for two, please.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked a table under the name Anna. No reservation. Is there a table available? Ordering food. Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'd like the chicken soup, please. Can I have it without onions? I'll have the steak medium rare. Can I get some water, please? During the meal. Everything is delicious. Excuse me, could I have some more bread? Can I get another drink, please? This isn't what I ordered. No problem. I'll wait. Paying the bill. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the check, please? Is service included? Do you take credit cards? Keep the change, please. Thank you. Everything was great. Excellent. You're sounding more confident already. Now it's time to practice real conversations. Part 3. Restaurant Dialogues. Let's listen to some everyday restaurant dialogues. First, just listen. Then, I'll repeat each line so you can practice pronunciation. Dialogue 1. Making a reservation.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for tonight.
Of course. For how many people?
For 4 people, please.
What time would you like?
At 7 o'clock.
Perfect. May I have your name, please?
It's Julia.
Great, Julia. We'll see you at 7.
Repeat slowly with pauses for practice. Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for tonight. For 4 people, please. At 7 o'clock. Dialogue 2. Arriving at the restaurant.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Julia.
Ah, yes, right this way, please.
Thank you. Dialogue 3. Ordering food.
Here are your menus. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Great. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. A few more minutes, please.
Sure. I'll come back soon.
Repeat slowly. Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please. Still, please. Not yet. A few more minutes, please. Dialogue 4. Ordering the meal.
Are you ready to order now?
Yes, I'll have the vegetable soup and the grilled chicken.
Would you like rice or potatoes with that?
Rice, please.
Anything to drink?
Just water, thank you.
Great choice. I'll bring your food soon.
Repeat slowly. Yes, I'll have the vegetable soup and the grilled chicken. Rice, please. Just water, thank you. Dialogue 5. Something is wrong. Excuse me, I think this is not my order.
Oh, I'm sorry. What did you order?
I ordered the chicken, not the fish.
My apologies. I'll fix it right away.
Thank you very much.
No problem, ma'am.
Repeat slowly. Excuse me, I think this is not my order. I ordered the chicken, not the fish. Thank you very much. Dialogue 6. Paying the bill. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Perfect. Here's my card.
Thank you. Was everything okay?
Yes, everything was great. The food was delicious.
I'm happy to hear that. Have a great evening.
Thank you. Goodbye. Repeat slowly. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Do you take credit cards? Perfect. Here's my card. Yes, everything was great. The food was delicious. Thank you. Goodbye. Well done! You just learned 6 practical conversations for any restaurant situation. Part 4. practice and quiz. Now let's practice what you've learned. I'll ask a question. You answer out loud in English. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Ready? Question 1. What do you say when you enter the restaurant? Hello, a table for two, please. Question 2. How do you ask for the menu? Can I see the menu, please? Question 3. What do you say when you want to pay? Can I have the bill, please? Question 4. What do you say if something is wrong with your food? Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. Question 5. How do you thank the waiter? Thank you. Everything was great. Excellent. Practice these lines every day until they feel natural. Part 5. Multiple answer quiz. Let's see how much you remember from today's lesson. You'll hear a question and 3 possible answers. Choose the correct one. What does reservation mean? A. When you order your food in advance. B. When you book a table before arriving. C. When you pay before eating. Correct answer B. When you book a table before arriving. If you want to know what the waiter recommends, what do you say? A. What do you recommend? B. What do you like to eat? C. What's your favorite color? Correct answer A. What do you recommend? What is dessert? A. A drink before dinner. B. A sweet dish after the meal. C. The main course. Correct answer B. A sweet dish after the meal. What does tip mean? A. The total price of the meal. B. A small dessert after dinner. C. Extra money you give to the waiter to say thank you. Correct answer C. Extra money you give to the waiter to say thank you. The waiter asks, "How is everything?" What's a natural response? A. It's delicious. Thank you. B. Yes, it is. C. I'm paying by card. Correct answer A. It's delicious. Thank you. Great job! Next time, we will continue with another everyday English topic, at the hotel. If you liked this episode, give me a like, subscribe, and keep practicing with me. Remember, the more you listen, repeat, and speak, the faster you'll improve. Practice these sentences again, and soon you'll feel completely comfortable speaking English at any restaurant. See you next time! Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our new videos. And check out our PDF materials. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.